Do you want to speak English faster, but when you try, the words don't come out?
Yeah, you know what you want to say, but it takes too long, and then the moment is gone.
That happens to so many people, and today we're going to fix that.
This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Welcome. You're watching Easy English Podcast,
I'm Mike.
and I'm Sarah, and today we have a really fun episode.
Really fun, because we're going to practice speaking English fast, short sentences, simple words.
And we're going to do it together, like a real conversation.
Exactly. So if you're a beginner, this is perfect for you.
Okay, Mike, let's talk about the topic first. Why is speaking fast so difficult?
Oh, good question. I think when we learn English, we learn slowly, right? We think about every word.
Yes, we translate in our head first.
Exactly. We think in our language, then we translate to English, and by then, it's too late.
So today, we're going to practice short, fast sentences. Sentences you can use every day.
And the more you practice, the faster you get. It's like exercise for your mouth.
Exercise for your mouth. I like that.
It's true, though.
Okay, let's start with the first situation. You meet someone new. What do you say?
Easy. Hi, how are you?
And the fast answer is, I'm good, thanks. And you?
See, short, simple, fast.
Let's try it together. Mike, pretend we just met.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great.
Perfect. That's it. That's a real conversation.
And notice, we didn't say long sentences. We didn't say, I am feeling very well today, thank you for asking.
Nobody talks like that.
Nobody. Keep it short. Keep it natural.
Now, viewers, you try. Say it with us. Hi, how are you?
Say it out loud. Don't just watch. Actually say the words.
I'm good, thanks. And you?
Great. Say it again, a little faster this time.
Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. And you?
Nice. You're already doing it.
Okay, next situation. You're at a coffee shop. What do you say?
All right, so you walk in, the person at the counter says, Hi, what can I get you?
And you say, Can I get a coffee, please?
Simple, clean, fast.
You can also say, 1 coffee, please, even shorter.
Or, a large coffee, please.
You can say, Can I get, or just the thing you want, plus, please.
Both are totally fine. Native speakers use both.
And then they might ask, Anything else?
And you say, No, thank you, that's all.
Or, Yes, can I get a muffin too?
Easy additions. You just add one thing at a time.
Let's practice. I'll be the person at the coffee shop. Mike, you're the customer.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, what can I get you?
Can I get a coffee, please?
Of course. Anything else?
No, thank you, that's all.
Great. Simple, right?
Super simple, and you can use this every day.
Viewers, practice with us. Say, Can I get a coffee, please?
Say it. Go ahead.
No, thank you. That's all.
Nice work. Keep going.
Okay, Mike, next one. This is a really common situation. Someone is talking and you don't understand. What do you say?
Oh, this is so important. So many people just say nothing because they're embarrassed.
Yes, they smile and nod, but they have no idea what was said.
The smile and nod, classic.
But you can just say, Sorry, can you say that again?
Or, sorry, I didn't understand.
Or even shorter, Sorry?
Just sorry, with a little up sound at the end. And people know. They'll repeat it.
You can also say, Can you speak slower, please?
That's a great one. Most people are happy to slow down.
People are nice. They want to help.
Exactly. Don't be embarrassed. Just ask.
Let's practice those. Say, Sorry, can you say that again?
Can you speak slower, please?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
These phrases, they save you every time.
Every time. Okay, now let's talk about agreeing and disagreeing, because in conversation, you need to react, right?
Right. You can't just be quiet. You need to say something.
So, to agree, you can say, yes, exactly,
Or, I know, right?
or that's true.
Or just, yeah, totally.
And to disagree nicely, you can say, I'm not sure about that.
Or, really, I think it's different.
See, you don't have to fight. Just say, I'm not sure.
It's polite, it's natural, and it keeps the conversation going.
Let's do a little example. Mike, say something and I'll react.
Okay. I think coffee is better than tea.
I'm not sure about that. I love tea.
Really? I think coffee gives you more energy.
That's true, actually, but tea is more relaxing.
See? That's a real conversation. Back and forth. Short sentences.
And we used, I'm not sure. Really? That's true. Actually, all in one little conversation.
Small words, but they make a big difference.
Okay, viewers, your turn. Say, yes, exactly.
That's true.
I'm not sure about that.
Really? I think it's different.
Great. Now let's talk about making plans. This comes up all the time.
Yes. Hey, do you want to meet later? What do you say?
You can say, sure, what time?
Or, sorry, I'm busy today.
Or, how about tomorrow?
See, you're not just saying yes or no, you're keeping the conversation alive.
Exactly. How about tomorrow? That's a great phrase. It moves things forward.
Let's do a quick dialogue. Sarah, do you want to get lunch today?
Oh, sorry, I'm busy today. How about tomorrow?
Tomorrow works. What time?
How about noon?
Perfect. See you then.
Simple, natural, fast.
And notice every sentence was short. 4 or 5 words, maybe 6.
You don't need long sentences to have a real conversation.
That's the big lesson today.
Okay, let's do a full practice section now. We're going to say some key phrases, and viewers, please say them with us out loud.
Out loud is important. Your mouth needs to practice, not just your ears.
Ready? Let's go. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
Can I get a coffee, please?
No, thank you. That's all.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Can you speak slower, please?
Yes, exactly.
I'm not sure about that.
How about tomorrow?
What time?
Perfect. See you then.
Excellent. Say all of those again if you need to. Pause the video. Practice them.
The more you say them, the faster they come out. It becomes automatic.
Like driving a car. At first, it's hard. Then one day, you just do it.
Exactly. Okay, now we want to hear from you.
Yes, comment below. Use one of today's phrases in a sentence.
For example, write, how about tomorrow? Or make your own little sentence.
We read every comment. We love seeing your practice.
It also helps other learners. When they see your comment, they practice too.
So you're helping yourself and helping others. That's pretty cool.
Okay, Mike, before we go, any final tips for speaking faster?
Yes. Don't wait until your English is perfect to speak. Speak now. Make mistakes. That's how you get faster.
I love that. Mistakes are practice. Mistakes are progress.
Exactly. Every mistake means you tried, and trying is everything.
And remember, short sentences are not bad sentences. Simple is powerful.
Simple is powerful. Write that down.
All right. Thank you so much for watching today. You did great.
Seriously, the fact that you're here practicing English, that's already something to be proud of.
Keep going. Keep practicing. You are getting better every single day, even when it doesn't feel like it.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Take care, everyone.